In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue where your LG TV automatically turns off and on. So if your television is randomly turning off, then there's basically 3 different reasons this may be happening, and I'm going to show you all of these in this video. Now, the first thing we want to do is just head over to our television settings. Now, you can do this by pressing the settings button on the TV remote. You can also come over to the home screen, and in the top right hand side, you'll see this settings icon. Go ahead and click on this, and that should take you over to your LG settings. Now, from this window, we're going to scroll all the way down on the left hand side and go and select all settings. Now, give that a couple of seconds while it goes and loads up those settings. Now, from here, we're going to scroll all the way down to general on the left hand side. You can then use the right arrow key to come over to the right, and we're going to scroll all the way down to system. Now, scroll down once again until you see the option for time and timer, and click on this. And then we're going to scroll down once again and select timers. Now, you need to make sure that sleep timer is turned off and disabled, and you also want to make sure that power off timer is turned off and disabled, and you're also going to turn off this very bottom option, power off after 4 hours. Now, once you've done this, just come back over to the previous settings page, and we're going to come all the way back here, back into the general tab, and this time we're going to scroll down just below system and click on eco saving. Now, make sure energy saving step is turned off and disabled, and also auto power off, make sure this is also turned off and disabled. Now, once you have applied all of these settings, you can check to see if that solves the issue. If it's still not working, the final solution is just to go and remove any external devices you may have connected to your television. So this could be HDMI connections or basically anything that's connected to your TV. Sometimes if you have a faulty connection or a faulty wire, this can actually cause the illusion that your TV is turning off and on. And it's really as simple as that, guys. Let me know in the comments if you did find this video helpful, and I'll see you with the next one.